Hey Probstats kids, this is Dr. Callahan with Week 16 Friday. How are you guys doing? Congratulations, you guys made it to the end of the week. So pause the video and answer the following 3 questions for your warm-up log. All right, let's go ahead and get started then. So this is the worksheet that you need to have in front of you. So go ahead and take a look at it. All right, so we're going to start off with example 2. So for the same weighted graph, find the Hamilton circuit obtained by the cheapest link algorithm and give the total cost for this circuit. Now, remember, when you guys are doing the cheapest link algorithm, you have to list the cost of the path from the smallest to the biggest. And as I can see here, the smallest one is going to be AC first, then mark CE second. And remember, you cannot have more than 2 edges, so you cannot do CE, because if you already do AC, then CE gives you a second edge. Then let's take a look at BD, and then DA, and then BE. So then this will be your 5th one. So then at this point, your circuit is from E, A, B, C, and D. You can go in any direction you want. You can go to C, A, D, B, E, or B, E, C, A, D. But regardless, when you add up the total weight, your total is 741, which is going to be the cheapest possible path, according to the cheapest link algorithm. All right, so then let's go ahead and have you guys try this one using the cheapest link algorithm as well. So looking at this part here, we're going to start off with DE, then AB, then AD, EC, and you'll close with BC. And once you calculate that, this will go ahead and give you the path for the cheapest link algorithm. Example 4, for the same weighted graph, find the Hamilton circuit obtained by the repetitive nearest neighbor algorithm. So I'm going to start off with B. And if you do A first, which is part A, the cheapest path will, or the nearest neighbor will be A to B because it's 2. Then from B, you, of course, will have to go to C. Or I'm sorry, go to D because it's 4. From D, we're going to go to E because it's only 1. And from E, we can only go to C, which is 4. And then from C, I go back to A. Adding up the weight together, you get 24. Now, what if we decide to start off with a different one? So let's say we start off with B. If I start off with B, the cheapest or the shortest path is to A first. From A can go to E, A to D, A to C. I'm going to go to A to D, which is 3. And then from D, I can go to E, which is only 1. And then from E, I have to go to C, which is 4. And then from C, I go back to A. Oh, I'm sorry, go to A, and then from C, I go back to not to A, but to B. Just kidding, so 8. Your total weight is 18 for that one. So that's actually a closer path. Then do the same thing with C. Get the weight. Your total is 18. Same thing with D. Provide the weight, and your total is 18. And E, provide the path, the weight, and your total is 18. So then looking at this part right here, it appears that these 4 paths are the same. And if you look at it, if you need to start with B, they will have the same path, just with a different order. So if I start with B for this one, it'll be B to C, C to E, E to, let's go ahead and redo that one, C to E, E to D, D to A to B, and then B back to C. Same thing if you're doing with this D1 right here. You start off with B. So from B to A to D, D goes to E to C, C to B. And again, it is all the same path. All right, so now what I want you guys to do is go ahead and pause the video and do questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and answer the following. This is a summary of our graph theory. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the answer right here for 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm gonna give you guys the answers for 4, 5A, and 5B as well. Okay, so then on the next part of this, you have part A and 6. Take a look at my answers. You can pause the video and try yourself first. And then take a look at number 12 and 25. All right, so then I'm gonna have you guys take a look over here on the right side on the cheapest link algorithm and go ahead and practice with these 3 questions. Okay, as you guys know, Mother's Day is Sunday, so I have a little quizzes that I would like you guys to practice with when it comes to Mother's Day. So you are going to go to joinmyquiz.com. And you're going to type in 49410090. All right, you guys, as always, I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.